Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through an easy step-by-step guide on how to convert USDT to another coin on MEXC. So to get started with the guide on how to do that, MEXC convert is a feature that allow instant fee-free conversion between cryptocurrencies without the need for traditional trading. So to get started with the guide, you can simply do this using the mobile app or a website version. So if you're on a website, log into your account, then from there navigate to convert. From there, from the top navigation bar, click on spot and select convert. Then on step 3, you have to select your cryptocurrencies. So choose the USDT as the currency you want to convert from the select your desired currency to convert to. Then enter the amount to input the USDT you wish to convert. Then from there, preview your conversion. Click the preview conversion to see the real time exchange rate. Then after that, if you are satisfied, click convert within the 8 seconds quote window to complete the transaction. Then if it is on the mobile app, then open your mobile app, then log into your account. Then after that, you have to tap on more on the home screen, home page, then select convert under the common function section. And after that, you have to select USDT as the cryptocurrency to convert from and pick your desired cryptocurrency to convert to. Then after that, enter the amount of USDT you wish to convert. Then tap preview conversion to view exchange rates. Then tap convert within 8 seconds window to finalize the conversion. And that's how to convert USDT to another coin on MEXC.